From lovely professional university to Johnson Johnson Kenvue, this is my story. Hello, my name is Tanya Kochhar. I'm a scientist at Johnson Johnson Kenvue in New Jersey, and I'm a proud alumni of lovely professional university. This campus, labs, cultural events, and sports, this is where it all started. I owe this to the strong foundation built at lovely professional university. I spent hours researching about different cosmetic formulations in the labs at LPU. My capstone project was about antioxidants and cosmetic formulations. My research here developed my passion for cosmetic formulations, and that's my work at Johnson Johnson Kenvue. Today I'm a scientist at Johnson Johnson Kenvue, working with incredible researchers and scientists. My work at Kenvue and Johnson Johnson is handling new product innovation and global development. It's hard to believe that it all started from labs at LPU and the education and the foundation that led to my career path here at Kenvue and Johnson Johnson. The labs here are equipped with so much updated equipment than when I was a student here. The students here are so fortunate to have all the updated resources. They should make the most of it and follow their dreams. Anchoring at lovely professional university helped me build my communication skills that I use every day, even at my work at Johnson Johnson Kenvue. This is my story. Are you ready for yours?
Education revolution starts at lovely professional university.